Fine. Range of a quadratic function. Range means the values that y can take. Quadratic function means if I expand it, what do I get? 9 minus x square plus 9 minus 6x, which is 9 minus x square minus 9 plus 6x, which is minus x square plus 6x is f of x or y. Quadratic function means power on x is 2. Clear? Now my range depending on this value of x. To get that, in earlier class it's a quadratic function, power sign before x square is negative. So I get a graph in this way, inverted parabola. Clear so far? Next, find out this turning point. For that f dash x equal to 0. So that is differentiated minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. So that gives x equal to 3. Now, when x equal to 3, how much is y? It's easy if I substitute in the given equation rather than this one. So directly I place here 3 minus 3 0 square, so I get 9. You need to check these two values as well. Since these two are same, I don't need to find out separately for this also. I need to find for this. When x is 7, how much is y? I substitute directly in this. 9 minus 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 square is 16, so I get minus 7. Now place these two, plot these 2 points. 3 and 9 will be, let us say, here. And where will 7 and minus 7 come? 7 minus 7 will be here 7, so minus 7 will be here, let us say. So how is the graph? At 3 it's taking a turn. So it's moving up, it's taking a turn like this. Clear so far? Now, my graph should lie between 3 and 7 only. That means this part is I don't need. And I don't need to extend it. It's only this part. For these values, my curve is only this much. From here till here. In these two, which is the minimum point? Minus 7. So minus 7 less than or equal to y. Which is the maximum point? 9. So less than or equal to 9 is my range. Clear? Next one. Look at this one. Expand it again. I get 5 minus x square plus 4 minus 4x. So which is 5 minus x square minus 4 plus 4x. So I get minus x square plus 4x plus 1. Sign before x square is negative, so I get this graph. Clear? Let's find the turning point first. For the turning point, f dash x equal to 0. So that is minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, so x is 2. Again these two values are same. Well and good, that decreases our work. Next is find out the points. When x is 2, how much is y? It's easier to place in this rather than this one, right? So 2 minus 2, 0, 0 square, so 5 minus 0, 5. Now check for this. When x is 6, how much will you get for y? Place in this 5 minus 6 minus 2, 4, 4 square is 16. 5 minus 16 is minus 11. Right? Now plot the graph. Plot the points. Where will 2 and 5 come? If I say here, let us say 2 comma 5. Where will 6 and minus 11 come? Here. So my graph is in this way. Since x values is between 2 and 6, my graph is also till this part only. from 2 to 6. Clear? So what is the minimum point for y in that graph, that part of the graph? Minus 11. So minus 11 less than or equal to y. Maximum is 5 less than or equal to 5 is the answer. These are the basic examples. Now look at this one. Y equal to 7 minus 3x square. Again, before x square it's a negative sign. So this type of a graph I get. Let's find the turning point now. So y dash or f dash x, same thing. Minus 6x equal to 0, that implies x equal to 0. Now you see, x value here and here are not same. So when x is 0, how much you get for y? Place in this, I get 7. When x is minus 1, how much you get for y? 7 minus 1 whole square is 1, 1 into, I get 4. For this also you need to find out. When x is 2, how much will I get for y? 7 minus 3 into 2 square is 4. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. Now plot these points. First 0 and 7, let us say here. Next is minus 1 and 4. X is minus 1, here it is minus 1 and 4. Next is 2 and minus 5. Will be here 2 comma minus 5. So how is my graph going? It's taking a turn at 0 and it's going like this below. Clear? But x value is restricted from minus 1 to 2. So it's not going before minus 1 nor after 2. So this is my graph. Clear so far? Yeah, now look at it and tell me what is the minimum value that I get for y. Is it 4, 7 or minus 5? Which is the minimum? Minimum is minus 5. So minus 5 less than or equal to 5. Which is the maximum value for y? 4 or 7? 7. So write 7. This is the answer. Over here you had only 2 points to select maximum and minimum. Over here you had 3 points. So from that, those 3 points, select the minimum, select the maximum. Clear? One more example. Expanded x square plus 25 minus 10x. So how much will I get? 8 minus x square minus 25 plus 10x. So it is plus 10x minus 17. Again, sign before x square is negative, so I get this curve. Again, I need to find that turning point. So f dash x equal to minus 2x plus 10. Turning or stationary equal to 0, so x I get 5. This value and this value are not same. So find out for each. So now when x is 5, how much will I get for y? Let us write. Place in this. It's easier to place in this rather than this one. So directly 5 minus 5, 0, I get 8. Now when x is 4, this value, y equal to 8 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 whole square is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7. Now when x is 10, how much will I get y for? 8 minus 10 minus 5 is 5 square, 25. 8 minus 25 minus 17. And over here, correct. Now show all the 3 points. 5 comma 8, if I say here, 4 comma 7 will be somewhere around here. 10 comma minus 17 will be here, let us say. Turning point is at 5. So the graph is coming in this way. It's taking a turn and it's going on. My graph is limited between 4 and 10. So I should stop at 4. I should not extend this. If I did, I should erase it. Clear? This is my graph. Now 3 points are there. Which is the minimum of it? Minus 17. So it is minus 17 less than or equal to y less than or equal to. Which is the maximum? 8. So 8 is my range. Clear? We can find this by completing the squares method also, but this is easier.